just gonna head out, do a few dashes, have a couple of errands to run. So go ahead and get this going. All right, so we're heading out. Gonna do some errands. It's Saturday. I don't even know what, I mean, I know it's Saturday, but I don't know what day it is exactly. It's 4 o'clock. So right before the lunch rush, kind of getting things started. Gonna run a quick errand before that though. And we'll get some things going, get an air conditioning going, because it's freaking hot, man. That's what it's like to live in Florida. Hot. So we're showing 86 degrees. I don't know if you can see that or not. Alright, so the plan today. So here's the plan, right? This multi-apping is what I'm going to be doing from now on. I mean, it's really the only way to earn the money that you need to earn. So I know that some, and I did this myself, and you know, I'll try it again. I got to pay more attention. I try to do, you know, I do Uber Eats, Grubhub, and DoorDash. DoorDash primarily, but I messed up, man. I did the you know, what you're not supposed to do on the multi-apping. So you know, I took, I forget which one it was, a Grubhub order and a DoorDash. I thought they were going in the same direction. They weren't. You know, one's over here, one's way over here. So I got caught. I mean, I didn't get caught by the customer or the app, you know, or the companies, but I got caught by myself in this one. So my new strategy, I'm not going to do that. That's too, and not unless I know darn sure that they're showing the same street or something, you know, then that would be different. But yeah, it's just too risky to try and do that, at least for me for right now. And I'm familiar with the area 100%, so I have no problem with, you know, where the streets are at and that sort of thing. But let me turn this down now. So anyway, what we're going to do, Grubhub, Uber Eats, DoorDash. So DoorDash being primary. We'll turn them all on here in a few minutes. And then we'll see which one, you know, gives me the best offer. Then I'll turn off either Uber Eats or DoorDash, or Uber Eats or Grubhub. Either one of the two, turn them off. I'll leave them on while I'm making the delivery, depending on which one gives me the first, you know, offer. But what I'll do is pause DoorDash if I can do that, if that's not the one that I'm using. And then when I get maybe about a mile or so out from my delivery, then I'll turn it back on, or I'll start looking at the offers that are coming through. So that's the plan. That way we're trying to pick up an offer as we're making the last stop, or the last step, you know, to the delivery of the current order that I'm on. And that's how I'm going to handle it, at least for right now. So that's what we're going to do. And we'll be dashing for a few hours here. There's a new football league coming on tonight, so I do plan on watching that. You know, I'm just a football junkie, so I do pretty much watch any football that's on for the most part. I'll watch it for a little while until it gets a little boring. So we'll go ahead and do that. But hang with me, please. Comments in the section, in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. What's your strategy for doing multi-apping? And you know, if you have any other good strategies, it'd be cool to put in there. And if you have any questions, I'll go ahead and answer them for you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that as well. Again, this is until I find something better, my full-time gig. So every chance I get, I'm making some video. I'm gonna do a little better. I keep promising to put up the darn screenshots. That is, if I take the screenshot, I get so wrapped up in my calculations and where it's going and all this stuff, I forgot, you know, I get excited, so I forget to take the darn screenshot. But Gonna try and be more diligent on that, and then again try and include them on the video. So, all right, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back in a little while. Thanks. All right, so got my errands taken care of. Didn't take long. I got 3 apps going: Grubhub, Uber Eats, and DoorDash. Grubhub's already sent me some notifications here, so let's see what we got. Where are they all go? They're all going off now. Didn't take long. All right, let's see what we got. DoorDash, that's a no. I don't have to think about that one. $2.75. Let's look at Grubhub. I think I'll just take that one. Yep. 3 miles, $8. We'll take that. Oh, it might have been too slow. Damn. Well, I really screwed that up. Okay. Sometimes it lets me go back. I don't know. Oh, no, I got it. Pick up by 5:07. Okay. So it's a Panda Express. $8, 3 miles. So we'll take that. That means the rest of them got to go on hold. So until we get closer. So we'll put DoorDash on hold. And we'll put Uber Eats on hold. Oh, I never even turned it on. So, alright. So I don't have to worry about it. Alright, so just right now we're doing Grubhub and DoorDash. I'll turn on Uber Eats, I guess, as I get closer. So we're going to go pick this up. Panda Express. Be back in a few minutes. And of course, I forgot to get the screenshot. So like I said, I get excited, and I was trying to hurry with that one anyway. So we'll try and get these darn screenshots in there, but we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, so we got that picked up, ready to go when I got there. So very cool. And it says it's 6 minutes away.
On Beach Boulevard.
So if everything goes as planned, 6 minutes, it should be a total of 18 minutes on this delivery for Grubhub, which would be an excellent order. So we're going to keep going, and we'll be back when we get it delivered. Alright, so got that one dropped off. That actually worked out quite well. Watching where I'm going here. So that actually worked out very well as far as the amount of time. It was 22 minutes. It was, and then with our calculation, it was like $8.80. So that worked out perfectly. So that was a good order. Earlier today, I took all my calculations from yesterday and kind of did an average time of like how long it takes to do an actual order. So the average time, at least in my market, is 26 minutes. So, I mean, that actually was a little bit shorter than the average, so that worked out well. But that way I can do my calculations really quick. I'm basing it off 40 cents, which would be $25 an hour. And I've got another order request. So let me check this out. And we'll be back and try to get a screenshot. I think it might have gone away. All right, so that was ready right when we walked in and picked it up. So we are looking good right now. This is on Uber Eats, so I may get an extra tip in this. It didn't work out on the math. Should have been more. It's presented for like $8.90, I think. So I might get a tip. But what the heck? I actually kind of like dashing over here. This is a little bit different area for me, where I had to do my errands at. So traffic's kind of light, but that's probably because it's the day before Easter. So anyway, we're gonna go drop this off, and we'll be back. All right, so got that one dropped off. Gosh, it was like a long way to get in here, but 26 minutes complete. It's presenting, at least for right now, at 11:41 is the amount total, so I'm assuming that now includes a tip. So that probably worked out. We'll see. I got a couple other offers. I got one a minute ago for like 9 miles for $12, but This probably, I mean, that was a long way. I wasn't even close to the pickup point, so I was just like, I'm not even gonna take it. So anyway, all right, so we are off and waiting for our next offer. Look out, you goose. Some gooses right there. I don't know if you can see those. Or did I say gooses? I think I meant geese. That's what I was thinking. So anyway, we're off to see what we get next. So we'll be back. All right, so we got that one dropped off. Almost worked out perfectly. Numbers are a little bit off. McDonald's wasn't ready, naturally. So yeah. Anyway, the instructions are kind of funny on there. It said, leave at my door, just drop at the front door. That should be good enough. Or that should be it. And I was just thinking, I mean, did you literally mean just drop it? Wasn't sure. So I didn't know. I just set it on the ground. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go pick up a Taco Bell. Man, I gotta start taking. You know what? I think I put a note in here. Take a screenshot. So I just keep forgetting to take these darn screenshots. When you're multi-apping and you got multiple offers coming, it's like you're just trying to figure out which one's the best one before the time runs out. And I have math to do as well to make sure the calculation works. So anyway, I'll just try and get better at this. So please bear with me while I get these together. All right, so went ahead, did the breakdown. We ended up making $56 and worked really at 2.25 hours. Drove 43.5 miles. So the breakdown really worked out pretty good on this one. So my new calculation method is not so much on miles to dollars, even though it still works out that way. It works out usually, but it's more about distance and time. So in other words, like I mentioned, 26 minutes is the average amount of time that it takes to pick up an order, go into the restaurant, pick up an order, take it to the customer, drop it off, and then go on to the next one. So while you're on the way to the next one, you have, either Uber Eats or you have DoorDash or you have Grubhub, one of those apps standing by basically to turn back on while you're getting close to the delivery of the current order that you're on. So that way you hopefully get another order coming in and you're not, having idle time sitting around or just driving around aimlessly wasting miles. So the key is then to do your calculation on the time it takes and the amount of money that you want to make. So according to this, my real job hourly pay was $20.36. So it works out. So I do that calculation based on time. So it's 40 cents times whatever the amount of time is. So that's how this calculation is broken down. So hopefully that method will still continue to work. That's kind of the guideline I'm using right now. But this actually wasn't too bad of a shift. $56 for 2.25 hours. That was pretty darn good. So that's it for this video. I'll be making another one on Monday. And see what we come up with. Again, I need to get those screenshots for you guys. So I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. I do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time.